No matter what we need or when we call them, they always show up, and the reason is because of the special person that Alex Aldevar was. And the whole process, to be truthful, breaks my heart because I know how it makes them feel. But I'm also inspired because to have people so dedicated to the life of their loved one that they'll do anything that's necessary, it gives you hope and humanity, to be honest.
I think I heard you sigh when they were talking about the next court date and discussing March and April. Could you walk me through the emotions in that because of everything you're thinking?
Well, the next step is we're going to the Spencer hearing. And basically, he's not really sentenced to death as yet. This is going to happen on the 22nd. So the judge is ultimately going to decide what's going to happen with him next. She can go against it and say, hey, we're just going to give him life in prison. But I don't think that's going to happen because she will go against the will of the people. I don't expect that. That's very rare. I think the judge was impartial. She was fair. And in all honesty, his defense team, Ted Marrero, did an excellent job. I mean, I'm supposed to be hating this guy, but I don't, because he did his work. And that's the best team he's ever had. The Marrero team, Ted did an excellent job, and that is a fact. And, I appreciate that he fought for him because I did ask him to do the best he can for Bessman Okafor, even though he executed my son. But, we're talking about the law. If he does a crappy job, guess what? We're back here again. And I cannot allow that to happen. And so...
You said that he was 12 and 0. What are your thoughts about the decisions of those individuals that are against him?
It was quite shocking because one of the aggravators, they're listed that if the crime was heinous and atrocious, and they said no. But it has to be unanimous. 11 could have said yes, but one could have said no. So that was a surprise to me because they saw the pictures. My son was executed on the ground. 2 shots to the back of the head. This is what happens in the Middle East. And he didn't have a chance. But you have to respect what they did. And I truly do so. And they were here for 3 weeks. They took 3 weeks out of their lives to be here and serve. So you have to respect that. And I respect the 800 years that 800 of them came through this courtroom to get to 12 and then 14. So that in a sense it's huge, and I really appreciate them doing that, no matter what their thoughts were. My name is Rafael, Rafael. My last name is Zaldivar, Zaldivar, and thank you for coming out 10 years, 12 years in a row. Appreciate that.
him. And just, nope, so you can face this way and just speak, loudly and clearly. We'll get you through this, all right? Why don't we start with this? Can you say and spell your name?
My name is Adure Eukaria Onokala.
Could you spell it for us?
Adure is Adaure.
And your last name as well.
Onokala.
And you're related to Bessman?
Yes, I'm Bessman's aunt.
Okay.
He's the only child left for my late brother, Charles Okafor.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm heartbroken. I'm disappointed. Because they're holding the wrong person. Bessman did not kill anyone. Bessman did not shoot anyone. So I am going home today heartbroken. Because the Lord knows that he was not the one that shot that young man. And I will continue to fight and pray for him until he gets justice. Because I know today he did not get any justice. Because he doesn't have a father or anyone to fight for him. But the Lord that I'm serving is going to make a way where there is no way. He did not shoot anyone. He did not kill anyone. This is not the end of it. Thank you.
The fact that it's been going on for more than 10 years now.
Yes, Bessman has been in jail for over 15 years now for the crime he did not commit. This is the 16th year.
How is your family doing with this?
Everybody in my family in Nigeria, they're all on the phone waiting for me to tell them what was the outcome. Everyone in my family, all over the world, they have not been to work on their businesses since 2 weeks now. They are waiting for me to report back what happened to Bessman. I don't have any good news to tell them. They've been calling me since I was in the court. I don't have any good news to tell them. The state of Florida want my brother, the only son left for my left brother to be dead for the crime he did not commit. I leave it on to God. And I know that God, you have not finished with him. That the just will be let free. That one day, the person that is responsible for this will come up and turn himself in. That's all I pray for. Amen.
Is there anything additional that you'd like to share with us this afternoon?
I'd like to share that I had opportunity. I did not have the opportunity to know who Bessman is very well. By the time I found out, it was too late. Bessman's supposed to travel with me to Nigeria in the year 2012. He promised that he was going to come with me. I told him the only thing I needed from you is your passport. I'm going to pay for everything. I almost got him. Then when it was time to pay for the ticket, Bessman was nowhere to be found. He was locked up. So I missed him once again. Today, I'm appealing, I am begging anyone that knows who is the shooter is, you should come forward. Because they're about to kill someone that is innocent of this hideous crime. I feel so sorry for the deceased family. I feel so bad for them, but they should know today they're holding the wrong person. That the actual person that really made this killing is out there walking around free. We should go there and get them. We should go there and get him. I have his information, I have his name, and I will never give up as long as the Bessman is breathing. Thank you.
As Bessman walked out, he smiled. Did you say something to him before he walked
No, I didn't get a chance to say anything to him. He just smiled at me and I smiled back. It is so tough because the whole Nigeria today is going to be waiting for my response, waiting for my bad news. But I know that it's not over until God says it's over. It's not. Thank you so much.